cooking food. D is for doctor, kind and good. E is for engineer, making things. F is for farmer, plants and greens. G is for gardener, growing flowers. H is for helper, helping out. I is for inventor, ideas new. J is for janitor, leading to. K is for knight, brave and strong. L is for librarian, books so long. M is for musician, sing a song. N is for nursery, all day long. O is for officer, keeps us safe. P is for pilot, flying a plane. Q is for queen, leading fair. R is for ranger, nature care. S is for teacher, helps us learn. T is for tailor, stitch and turn. U is for umpire, calls the game. V is for vet, helps pets the same. W is for worker,